This video will change your view of security forever. With ACTi AI license plate recognition cameras, you get top-tier performance at half the price. Keep watching, we're about to reveal all its secrets. Capture distant plates at highways, factory gates, or parking lot corners with AI precision, reducing manual patrol needs. At 2 MP, record vehicles up to 320 km per hour without missing a frame. Perfect for traffic and logistics. Every detail is crystal clear, plates, drivers, and markings, ideal for toll booths, underpasses, and loading areas. Zoom bullet and PTZ options adapt to any site, lowering maintenance costs. Perfect clarity for mid-range scenes like parking bays, campus gates, or internal factory roads. Recognizes vehicles up to 320 km per hour, essential for law enforcement and fast lane monitoring. Covers near and far, from parking entrances to distant highway vantage points. Contact ACTi today for a complete AI license plate recognition solution for factories, parking lots, and traffic sites. Pay half, get performance beyond expectations.